Everybody, today we are going to cook Coca-Cola chicken. It's an unusual recipe, but it tastes good. First thing first, we have our chicken wings that cut in little pieces, and we want to marinate the chicken a little bit with the light soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of light soy, 2 teaspoons of white sugar to marinate. We leave the chicken for about 5 to 10 minutes to let it soak in the marinade. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let the oil heat. Looks like our oil is hot enough. Put in our garlic. You can use fresh ginger, or you can use ginger paste. They're both just as fine. The garlic ginger is nicely cooked. Put in our chicken. This recipe is saucy, so we expect to have some sauce and some gravy on this soy sauce. Two tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Important ingredient, our Coca-Cola. You can either use Diet Coke or normal Coke. The Coca-Cola in there to cover our chicken. Because of the size of our wok and the amount of chicken we have, we actually do need to have a bit more fluid. So we have about 1/3 of a cup of water. We let the chicken simmer. Next thing we do, put on our lid. Turn the heat down and put our lid on. Minutes have passed. We have a look at our chicken. I think it is done. As you can see, the sauce is reducing down and the chicken looks cooked. Turn off the heat. Rest for a few minutes.